Welcome back to Wheelwise Reviews, where we bring you the latest insights into all things on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kawasaki W800 ABS, a bike that continues to capture the essence of classic motorcycle design with modern features. The W800 is Kawasaki's tribute to the past, blending retro styling with contemporary technology, making it an appealing option for riders who want a bike with a vintage look and modern reliability. The 2025 Kawasaki W800 ABS stands out with its air-cooled, 773cc vertical twin engine. This engine design harks back to the classic British twins of the 1960s, but Kawasaki has ensured that the bike performs to modern standards with its fuel injection system and ABS for safe and smooth stopping. The engine delivers a healthy dose of torque at low to mid-range RPMs, making it a breeze to ride in city traffic or on winding country roads. While the W800 isn't designed for high-speed racing, its 47 horsepower is more than enough for comfortable cruising, giving the rider a nostalgic experience without sacrificing power where it counts. One of the first things you'll notice about the W800 is its timeless design. Kawasaki has paid close attention to detail with this bike, giving it a vintage feel with chrome accents, a round headlight, and a teardrop fuel tank. The bike's steel fenders and spoke wheels further enhance its classic appearance. But don't be fooled by its retro styling. This bike is equipped with modern tech. The W800 features a standard ABS system for improved braking performance, especially in emergency situations. The dual-disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, ensuring that the ride is as safe as it is stylish. The riding position on the W800 is upright and relaxed, offering a comfortable experience for long rides. The seat height is manageable for most riders, and the wide handlebars provide excellent control. Kawasaki has also included a slipper clutch, which reduces the effort needed to operate the clutch lever and prevents rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. This adds to the bike's ease of use, particularly for less experienced riders or those looking for a low-stress, enjoyable ride. In terms of handling, the W800 suspension is designed more for comfort than for aggressive cornering. The bike uses a traditional telescopic fork up front and dual shocks in the rear, soaking up bumps and offering a smooth ride over uneven surfaces. It's not going to handle like a modern sport bike, but that's not what this machine is about. It's about cruising with style, enjoying the road, and doing so in a way that feels authentic and grounded in the history of motorcycling. The instrument cluster is another nod to the past, featuring an analog speedometer and tachometer, along with the small digital display for essential information like fuel level and trip meter. While it might lack the tech-laden dash of some modern bikes, this simplicity adds to the W800's charm. It's all about the ride, not getting distracted by too many gadgets. So if you're looking for a bike that combines old-school cool with just enough modern performance, the 2025 Kawasaki W800 ABS might be the perfect match for you. It's got the style, the comfort, and enough power to make every ride enjoyable, whether you're commuting or taking a leisurely weekend trip. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more bike reviews and riding tips.